make a decision if this is going to be something that you're going to try to do it yourself and have your mindset of those expectations, or you're saying, look, I can't do that. So I need to have a professional that will come, literally hold my hand from beginning to end, and I am going to have to at least listen what they're saying. I'm not telling you that you're gonna listen to everything I'm telling you, but you at least need to consider what I'm saying. And it's totally okay for you to say yes or no, but you need to know what is out there. Because again, we do this 24/7. We are very well informed, we continue education, and we know the products that in our market can be advantage to our client and others that don't apply. If you want to have someone that will tell you all and will hold your hand, give the time to follow the process, listen to what we have to say, and then as we do that, the plan will reveal itself. It's not a thing that I'm going to sit with you and tell you, this is what the plan is. Poof, that's not a custom plan. That is a big store plan. That's not us. And if you want a custom kitchen, you should not go with a big box or an online store that says, oh yeah, send me a couple pictures and I will tell you what you need to get, because they have not spent the time to know you, to know your needs. Let's talk about what that means. I am here to listen about everything that you want to tell me. And yeah, sometimes it's not related to kitchens, but somehow it is related, because the more you tell me, better I can do my job. I'm not asking for any more or less than you are comfortable telling me. Ultimately, I'm here to serve you and to make your life easier, and that can be functional and beauty. So, talk to me. Tell me what's going on. Tell me, because of this and this problem, my life is going to be ta-da-da-da-da-da-da-da, and I want to have ta-da-da-da-da-da. We will discuss option 1, option 2. We will tweak option 1, option 2. If necessary, option 5. Whatever it is, right? Until we get to a point where you're going to feel like, yes, I can see myself. I'm totally in it. I can do this. This covered all my problems, all my concern. I am happy to wake up in that place. I want you to tell me that you are open-minded, you are going to hear it, and if that tile that, I will go crazy here, costs $200 a square foot is what is going to make you get up in the morning, then the sink may cost $300. Fine, right? We'll balance it out. But you need to find that one item that excites you so much that no matter what life throws at you, you're gonna get up. So it is emotional, right? It's not just functional, it's not just beautiful, it's also emotional. You need someone that will understand you to guide you through this, because ultimately, what do I want? I want you to do this kitchen once and once only. And then you're going to spend money on enjoying something else. Sure, if you want a bathroom, you know I got it. If you want the lower level, you know I got it. And if you want to go to vacations, well, are we going to Italy? I'm totally in.